Okay, what we're looking at now is inserting a short video from YouTube into your PowerPoint presentation. So as you can see here, we have a blank slide, and I'm just going to click the cursor here, and that's where the video is eventually going to come in. So let's just go up to the Insert menu, click on Insert, come all the way across to Video. Now just under the video symbol, you'll see there's a tiny little black triangle. That means there's a drop-down box there. So we're going to choose online video, since the video that we're going to use is from YouTube. So it's going to ask you the URL or the address of where the online video is. So if you haven't already got it, just go to YouTube. Okay. And from here, I'm just going to pick this one here. And I can pause the video, and if I come up to the address bar at the top and I just click once into it, the address will actually highlight. So to copy that, then I just hold down the control button and tap C once. So that's copied. And now I can go back to my PowerPoint presentation, click into it, and then hold down control and press V once, and that pastes it in. So once the address is in there, just click on Insert. Now it'll probably take a couple of seconds just to load from the web, and there it appears. So when you're playing your slideshow, then you'll just click on the little white triangle here, and your video will play as normal. Now, just an important point to remember when you're using YouTube videos is that wherever you're, if you're in class, you must have an internet connection. If you're putting them into an online presentation, well, then it's fine, because for the students to be watching the online presentation, they already have internet present. So that's it.